Hello everybody and welcome! In this video I will show you how to fix Bluetooth pairing issues for the headphones JBL Live Flex 3. Basically, you have a few options how to do it. The first one, make sure that your Bluetooth is turned on. Now, if it doesn't help you, we should make a soft reset. So just close the case and open it again. Now, if it doesn't help you, we should remove and add our headphones. So click the information icon or settings icon if you have Android. Then forget this device, forget device. Now close the case and open it again. We can see our headphones, so click on it. And here we go. If it also doesn't help you, we should make a hard reset. You have a few options how to make a hard reset. The first one is to put your both earbuds to your ears, and after that click on the left one or the right one 2 times and then press and hold for at least 5 seconds. Or the second one is to use an application, so just open it, then scroll down, click Support, Reset to Factory Settings, Reset. Choose the best one option for you. Now, close the case, click the information icon or settings icon, forget this device, forget device. After that, open the case and add your headphones. Here we go, we just did it! Thank you for watching this video. If you found it helpful, please consider subscribing to channel and leave the like on the video. It's really important to us. See you later!